Right, people. Woo! We're getting there. CVs are on. Just slice me freaking hand open. CVs are on. Nay's about far as I've got at the minute. Because I'm having a game with some bits and bobs. So these new CV joints are freaking shit. Well, the nuts themselves are shit. So what I'm having to do is put them in here, face them, put them back on, test the torque, take them back off, face them. I'm just taking 100th off at a time to try and get it to where I want to be in the spec. Because if I torque them up to 100, I'm nowhere near the slot, nowhere near the castle. But if I go to like 150, I was still not reaching the castle. And I don't want to go to 150. It's too freaking much. So I have to keep coming back in here. I put my parting tool on. I run this all the way in. Bring this down. Then I get this big bit of washer. I have to put the washer in there like that. Then I have to bring the carriage in. I'm not going to do this now, am I? Sorry. Yeah. So now the carriage is against that. Give it a little touch. Just so it centralises the nut. And then nip it up. And then skim it. Do it all again. Shit the bed. I wanted this freaking engine in today. And all I'm doing is fannying around. My master cylinders are on. That one's got fluid in. The other one I have left. Still got the calipers off at the minute. Right, so I'm going to carry on. I've bored you with my... I hate cars. Right, people, welcome back. As you've seen, I've plodded along. So the engine is back in. It's just resting. It's not actually in. But we've got the manifold bolted up. We're just touching here, which that was where that hole was anyway. It's always been really tight on the front subframe. It will probably be a bit better. If you look, we are a little bit off centres. So once that's moved back a bit, it's still a little bit out of alignment, like you see there. So you might go back a touch more, but we're about right. We've got a little bit of clearance there. So I think we may have got away with you. Yeah? So all it's got to do now, CV's done, brakes, they're on there. Got to finish bleeding them when I get back. And literally, I think I'm just going to leave this now because it's getting late and I've got to get ready to leave in the morning for a lovely 4.5 hour drive. So I hope you didn't mind that little video of just me bashing out the work. And then I've got to work out how I'm going to get all this done in the trailer in like 4 days. Oh, right. Oh, and I got these, look. Brought them off Les. Back wheels, front wheels, steering arms. So we're going to make something. I'm thinking, what Les has got is like a little cart that you put your wheels on, your spare wheels. Well, I'm thinking, what if we had like a cart with spare wheels, the air tanks for the air jacks, and something else, like a little toolbox, just something a little bit nifty that goes with the car. It's just something, got a bit of tube. I'm going to make something. That's what I feel like I'm going to do. Ryan, I am off in the house. Still got a couple of videos, so you won't notice that I'm not here. But I won't be here. I'm going away for a week. So, catch you when I get back, people. See you later.